So in this question we'll be doing two parts. The first part is sine of 60 cos of 30 plus sine of 30 cos of 60, and the second part is 2 tan square 45 degree plus cos square 30 degree minus sine square 60 degree. Now to attempt these questions we'll be referring to the trigonometric ratios of the angles that we have seen in the theory, and this table summarizes the 6 trigonometric ratios for the most commonly asked 5 angles, and the 5 angles being 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. So I'll start with the first part. The first part is sine of 60 degree cos of 30 degree plus sine of 30 degree into cos of 60 degree. Now sine of 60 is root 3 by 2. This would be root 3 by 2. Cos of 30 is again root 3 by 2. Sine of 30 is half, and cos of 60 is again half. Simplifying, this would be 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4, which is 4 by 4. Hence the answer for the first part would be equal to 1. We'll move to the second part. The second part has in the second part we have 2 tan square 45 degree. Now 2 tan square 45 degree can be written as 2 tan 45 degree whole square, because tan square 45 means tan 45 whole square, plus cos square 30 can be similarly written as cos 30 whole square, and similarly sine square 60 is sine 60 whole square. Now tan of 45, referring to the table, tan of 45 is 1. Therefore this would be 2 into 1 square plus cos of 30 is root 3 by 2 whole square, and similarly sine of 60 is root 3 by 2 whole square. You can see that this term and this term are same, and they'll get cancelled, and the effective answer would be 2 into 1, and the answer for the second part would be equal to